Welcome to the world of maths. We'll start with question number 9. For given vectors, vector A and is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and vector B is equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap, find the unit vector in the direction of vector A plus vector B. In order to find the unit vector in the direction of vector A plus vector B, first of all we need to find the addition of vector A and vector B. So vector A is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap and vector B is equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus k cap. On adding these both, we will get vector A plus vector B is equal to 2i cap plus minus I cap gives us I cap minus j cap plus j cap gives us 0 j cap and plus 2k cap plus minus k cap gives us plus k cap. So let us assign vector A plus vector B as vector C. We got vector C, which is vector A plus vector B, as I cap plus k cap. Now the next step is that in order to find a unit vector, that is here we are required to find C cap, unit vector in the direction of vector A plus vector B, that is in the direction of vector C, is C cap. So C cap is nothing but vector C divided by the magnitude of vector C. Now the required step for us is to find the magnitude of C. So what is the formula required to find the magnitude of vector C? Under root A square plus B square plus C square, where A, B, C are the scalar components of the vector C. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, C is also equal to 1. Now under root 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square, which will be equal to under root 2. Now we got vector A plus vector B as I cap plus k cap and the magnitude of vector A plus vector B as root 2 units. So now on applying the formula, that is C cap, which is the unit vector in the direction of vector A plus vector B, is equal to vector C divided by magnitude of vector C, which is equal to I cap plus k cap divided by the magnitude, that is root 2. So C cap is equal to 1 by root 2 I cap plus 1 by root 2 k cap, which is the required unit vector in the direction of vector A plus vector B. Moving on to the next question, question 10. Find a vector in the direction of the vector with phi I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, which has magnitude as 8 units. So let us name this vector phi I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap as vector A for our convenience. First step over here is that we are required to find A cap, that is the unit vector in the direction of vector A. So A cap is vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. So what is magnitude of vector A, which is equal to under root 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to 25 under root 25 plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to under root 30. So on applying in the formula, we get 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 30, and this is the unit vector A. Now reading the question again, find the vector in the direction of vector phi I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, which has magnitude 8 units. Now we have found the vector having magnitude 1 unit, that is the unit vector will have the magnitude as 1. Now we need to find the vector having magnitude 8 units. So 8a cap. So multiplying 8 in our unit vector, 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 30 into 8. For the convenience of space, I will erase it and I'll write it over here. So coming over here, we'll get 40 I cap minus 8 j cap plus 16 k cap divided by root 30, which is the required answer. Moving on to the next question, question 11. Show that the vectors 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap and minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap are collinear. So the first vector 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Let us take the scalar components of the first vector as a1, b1 and c1 and scalar components of the second vector as a2, b2 and c2. So here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to minus 3 and c1 is equal to 4. Coming to the next vector, minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. And let's take the scalar components as a2, b2 and c2. a2 is equal to minus 4, b2 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to minus 8. Now in order to prove that they are collinear, the condition that they should satisfy is a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, which should be equal to c1 by c2. So these three must be equal in order to prove that the given vectors are collinear. So let's find what is a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by minus 4 this is 2 by minus 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by 6, which is equal to again minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to 4 by minus 8, which is again equal to minus 1 by 2. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Since they all are showing minus 1 by 2, therefore we can say that the given two vectors are collinear. So the given vectors are collinear.
If you like our channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button.
Thank you.